Hi, this is Deepika Palkar Karthik and I'm here in Mumbai for the Adidas Here to Create event. I think it's great. I think it's great for sport in general, and I think it's great for Indian sport. I think a lot of people, a lot of people have said that women's sport is growing in the country, but I truly believe it's because of the medals that we're bringing back to the country. There's so many role models in every field, in every sport, and I think this really helps the kids to really look up to all these role models and take up sport. When I'm not training is usually during my summer break in April, May, June, where I try and hang up my rackets for a while and try and not do anything to do with fitness. But after 1 week, I feel really guilty and try to get on the treadmill as soon as I can. So I've never really been off fitness for a very, very long time. Being an athlete, it really guilt trips you because you just feel like you're just lying on bed doing nothing. So for me, fitness plays a very important role. Even if I'm not playing squash, I always have to do something to do with fitness. Just be it maybe getting up in the morning and going for a run, or just trying to go and cycle a bit. I think it does make a big difference. And for me, fitness is just staying healthy and trying to eat as healthy as possible. I think try and do something which you enjoy. Try and eat as healthy as you can. When it comes to fitness, I think it's important to do something that you really enjoy, be it Zumba, be it lifting weights, or be it just cycling in the morning. I think do something that your body is used to. Don't do something that you read in papers or or listen to my advice. I think it's very important to really understand your body and do it. The fourth thing is try and drink as much water as you can. I think that's the most important thing for for anyone, be it athlete, be it anyone. I think drinking water is the most important thing. And the fifth one is probably play some squash. It might do you some good. Bye Femina, keep watching this space for more.